Welcome to this week's edition of KMA Goldmine TV. Bite-sized bits to help your business get from where it is now to where you want it to be. Well, as you can see, I'm here at Altrincham Town Football Club for this week's KMA TV, which is the second of two. You might ask yourself what I'm doing here again. Well, again, another sort of footballing analogy. I wanted to talk to you about residual income. At a football club, for example, be it Manchester United, Chelsea, whatever your football persuasion is, they sell season tickets. Now, obviously, with a season ticket, you pay up front. They've got residual income because every year they know that they will sell a number of season tickets and they're guaranteed to know what their income's going to be, the residual income. They'll obviously sell more on top of that, from programmes, from merchandise, from food and drink and corporate hospitality and all that kind of stuff, but they've got a base, so they know that their bills are paid come what may because of that residual income. Now, this is a great thing in business, clearly, because if you've got a residual income stream, or more than one, it makes your life easier. It avoids those peaks and troughs, those stressful nights where you're kind of worrying about paying the bills, cash flow issues. You know you've got a certain level of income. Now, I'd like you to kind of think about what you can do in your business to get some residual income. Obviously, for example, in a web design business, it might be a maintenance contract. Obviously, I've given you the analogy from a football business. There are businesses like security companies that sell CCTV, and what they do is they rent the equipment. So they've got a regular income coming in week after week. We also know of retail companies who rent out, we've all heard of it, who rent out TVs and white goods. And again, they've got a regular income coming in. So that's it for this week. I just wanted to get you thinking about that football analogy and that residual income. What can you do to smooth out those peaks and troughs and make life a little bit easier, so you know what your baseline turnover is and ultimately what your profitability is, and how you can then increase it by selling more, bringing in more custom, or selling additional services. So that's it for this week's version of KMA Goldmine TV. Bye for now.